Hello everyone, we're going to do these little tiny tests on the topic. This one is simplifying ratios. So pause this video, give it a go and then see how you go. Following through the answers with me. Hopefully you've tried them already. Let's have a look at the first one. Simplifying 3 to 24. So you need to find what number goes into 3 and also goes into 24. Well, the number is 3. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 24, 8. That simplifies to 1 to 8. Next one, what goes into 18 and also goes into 24? Now there's a couple of opportunities here or possibilities here. So some people might go, well, 2 goes into 18. So 2 goes into 18 9 times and 2 goes into 24 12 times. That's true and it has simplified, but it's not fully simplified. You need to keep going. What else goes into 9 and also goes into 12? Well, it's 3. 3 goes into 9 and 3 goes into 12. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times. Now let's just go back to the beginning of this question, 8 to 24. Some of you might have got there in one step and you recognize that 6 went into 18 and 6 goes into 24. Now that's fine. So you'd say 6 goes into 18 3 times and 6 goes into 24 4 times. As you can see, you get the same answer either way. Doesn't matter if he takes 2 steps or 1 step. Okay, over here to question C. Now, sometimes ratios have more than 2 numbers. This one is 5 to 20 to 25. So what goes into 5, 20 and 25? Hopefully you can see it's 5. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 20 4 times. And 5 goes into 25 5 times. You get 3 numbers for that one. Now, question D. Well, this one has different units. Ratios must have the same units. I need to rewrite this in the same units. I've got centimeters and meters. The easiest thing to change them both to is centimeters. So I'll leave this one as 2 centimeters to 1 meter. Now, how many centimeters in 1 meter? The clue is in the word centi, 100. So it's 100 centimeters. Okay, now once I've got the same units, I don't actually need these. It doesn't matter that they're there, but you don't have to think of them anymore. So I just need to go, what goes into 2 and what goes into 100? Well, 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 150. It simplifies to 1 to 50. Okay, then we have this one here where we've got 1.2 to 8. Now 1.2 is a decimal. We don't have decimals for ratios. Once we simplify, we need to turn them into whole numbers. So what number can I times 1.2 by and it'll turn into a whole number? Now there's lots of options here, but I'm going to use 10 because it has 1 decimal place. And now it doesn't matter what it is. If there's 1 decimal place, if I times both sides by 10, I will get rid of that decimal place. So looking over here, 10 times 1.2 is 12 and 10 times 8 is 80. So now I've got 12 to 80. Is there a number that goes into both of them? Well, I can see that 4 goes into 12 and 4 goes into 80. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 goes into 80 20 times. It simplifies to 3 to 20.